All Pro Roof Stone Atlas is a trusted name in roof repair in Allentown, PA, delivering dependable roofing solutions for homeowners and businesses throughout the Lehigh Valley. Regular inspections and timely minor repairs can significantly extend the lifespan of your roof and protect your home from water damage, mold growth, and structural deterioration. Call our roof repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a roof repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the All Pro Roof Stone Atlas. Can you repair storm or hail damage? Absolutely. All Pro Roof Stone Atlas specializes in storm, wind, and hail damage repair. We assess the damage thoroughly, document the issues, and can assist homeowners with insurance claims by providing detailed reports and estimates. Can regular maintenance help prevent major roof repairs? Absolutely. Routine inspections and preventative maintenance can identify small problems before they escalate into costly repairs. We recommend scheduling periodic roof inspections, especially after harsh winter conditions or strong summer storms in the Allentown area. What is your service area for Allentown, Pennsylvania? Our roof repair has helped clients in Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Wescosville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brennigsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your roof repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 429 Southwest Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 484-806-0911. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/Allentown-PA.